Way, you feel me?
Superstar Woozy, man.
Just came through, show love to my nigga Smoov, for real, you feel me? My nigga Woo, NATO, you feel what I'm saying? You already know what it is, man. Shout out the whole city, man. Everybody doing their thing, for real, you feel me?
Real niggas do real
all the
nigga
battles,
shit,
man. All the battle rappers, you feel what I'm saying? Everybody that came through. Check me out on the YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, The Real D De Niro, you feel what I'm saying? Holla at me, man. You feel me? You know what it is.
Welcome to Hunger Games Smoov TV with my network, make your bitch. Got this crazy battle going on. We're just gonna get right into it, man. On my left, let them know how you rock.
A-double-M the Savage, man. Let's get it in.
Fuck him right. Introduce yourself.
It's your boy Swagg TV. Let's get it.
Fucking champion, make some noise for that shit, man.
I'm gonna go. You gonna go?
I said, ammo, you gonna get this work, whether you like it or not. I drop ammo like I don't know how to work the Glock. You're not an OG, you're a dead old joke like Red Fox. If you slept on me, I'm waking your dumb ass up with a dead kick. I'll give ammo the whole clip out this 4/5. He's no savage, he's Betty White, just an old bitch. You let face off cause the owner don't give a fuck about you. Now that's a damn shame. If I was you, I'd grab the knife and HD would finally have a clean shave. Fuck ammo, I'm feeling like Luck Dollars. When I'm done, they won't find ammo like Jimmy Hoffa. I'll extend both hands out like a Harley driver and put the fire to his skull. Now he the Black Ghost Rider. You just an old head trying to fit in. I already know what's up. You old enough to be my dad, but I still fuck you up. I'm ignorant. I don't give no fucks. I'm throwing this bitch in the air with his kids, but this ain't the magical school bus. The Mac 11 in my trunk hold 32 rounds. But man, you getting 20 like Ginobili. I'ma squeeze this shorty till his insides come out like cannolis. I knock his head off after I strike him, then toss that shit. You think we was bowling? I'm Illmatic like Nas in 94. Guns make you think I'm in the army now. I go dumb with the big gun like Pauly Shore. When I pull the ratchet, I'm not dragging a whore. Like a everything must go closing sale. You getting everything I got in store. On God, my clips doing flips and shit plus way more. I don't fuck with this ammo cause my ammo doing parkour. It's like the Matrix the way my bullets twist. A hollow point will go around you right into the heart of your bitch. I'll beat your moms with a pasta pot. Ironically, your father's dad is gonna die from a pop. I don't fight geeks. Urkel, you'll get shot. I don't play games, but my team likes to jump squares like hopscotch. I'll face fuck your sister with the barrel of my shotgun. A baseball bat or a knife. Your kids have options. I'm psycho behind bars and you're just acting crazy like Anthony Hopkins. I'll put the deuce in the air like see you later. I'm trying to get you to fuck away from my house like the movie Neighbors. Me and my bitch both strapped. That's a gun on both sides like Tomb Raider. I be on this block in a white van about to take him out his house like Room Raiders.
Talk that shit, man.
Fuck everyone who think I ain't top 5. Bitch, I'm number 1. From the gate, I've been killing top dogs. Now I gotta make you my son. You old as shit, still trying to battle. Fuck you trying to be, Mark 1? I shoot first, never ask questions. And I'll be holding grudges. So what if I'm young? That's why I keep nuggets in my trays like school lunches. I'm the type to walk on this block when we beefing like who won it. A hollow round will make them put the mic down like Joe Budden.
Talk that
shit. You cold frontin'. Better miss me with that tough talk, G's, before I get crafty and cut off his legs like homemade capris. The champ is here. If I catch you in PA, I'ma throw the pitchfork up, no folk nation. Time to the back of the horse buggy and take him for a trip like vacation. You a bitch, if I pull the grip, I make him piss like probation. Time.
Make some noise for that. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, it's on and down. Talk that shit, nigga.
I said, yo. 1 round, right? Okay. It's only right that I kick off this round going gung-ho. Smoov, you got me battling a bitch. So it's impossible for me to son yo. Cause even y'all know I will lay this white bitch hair down. say hello to Rapunzel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Smoov, this is my first battle here this year.
Yeah.
And this the motherfucker that you sent first?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, these next few bars will make an atheist attend church. I handcrafted these lines to place this wigger in dirt. This a robbery. That means your money becomes my money, and I need it now. J.G. Whitworth. And you gonna love this, because y'all get to see this fag die. And I was hoping he brought his chick, but fuck this. He a gay battle rapper. Y'all wanna know why? Because he the first I've ever seen to take a selfie making the duck lips. That's real rap, no fabrication, straight fact. Straight fact. So for that, I'm immediately cooked. Let's get this shit settled. I was sent here to kill you. I'm a Terminator 2. Watch how I lick with metal. Because today, your death day. Fuck you, Swagg. I'll blast a bone from your chest plate. Rape your mother. Kill her. After the funeral, bring out the sex tape. Your bitch gives me head still. I call her neck brace. Hold on, let that nigga eat. Your bitch give me head still. I call her neck brace. When it's war, I'm a transporter when it comes to a body. And you'll never finish lines. This a death race. I say...
There we go.
I say, I lost my never finished lines, this a death race. I say, so bitch nigga, just cooperate. Cause me sending you to that ER only puts a lot of hard work on the doctor's plate for you. Cause I'ma leave your face deformed. This big black dynamite can, sweet, open your top like cream corn. Then I'll put you wherever your honey be and let that thing ring loud. It's like I'm banging through a bullhorn. You like scheming, right? Cool. Coming at the savage with all those motherfucking goofy raps. Dog, I'll air these biscuits like I'm throwing Scooby snacks. You'll drop dead Fred once I leave your top all shaggy. For acting all scrappy, da-da-da-da-da-da. Doing this nerd shit, I get thrown in that van like Thelma and Dabney. And guess what? This gonna make it worse, so run and get your team. I got semis and follies you never seen. They my mystery machines. So you need to take your bitch ass back to PA and quit rap. Cause I'll make you and this bitch cry in this ring like Miss Pac. I mean, Smoov TV for real. I'm not even fully prepared, but this is what I truly do. And he just died from that scheme. Scooby-Dooby-Doo!